Hey guys, in this video, let me share you how to redeem Amazon Pay gift card. So just to open your Amazon application. Now here at the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Click on this. Now click on this account option. Now in this page, just to go down. Now under the Amazon Pay category, here is the option add gift card to your balance. Click on this. Now just to enter your gift card code here. So mostly in your online purchase, you'll see both gift card ID and gift card code. You need to enter the gift card code in this box. So you have to just enter with the hyphen also. After entered, click on add gift card to your balance. And that's it. Now the gift card added to your Amazon Pay balance. So in case if you want to add another gift card means click on add option. If you want to add money to your balance means here is the option. So now using this Amazon Pay gift card, you can purchase anything in the Amazon application. Well, that's it about this video guys. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.